Okay, in the last video, we did our slope, okay? In this one, we will do midpoint. Now, slope and midpoint have something in common, right? You are given two data points, okay? It's -2, 1, -4, -3, okay? You're given two data points, and you have to label them, okay? You start slope with that, and you start midpoint. And next, we're going to do distance. You do the same thing. Start with that. Okay? So, as I said before, every data point has one x value and one y value. So let's start with that. X, y, x, y. Okay? Now, this is our first data point. So put little ones, x1, y1. Here's our second data point. Put little 2's, x2, y2. And in the last video, I warned you guys about a common mistake, so check that video out again. All right, that is a common mistake. All right, once you have these labeled, the rest is easy. You just have to remember your formula. So the formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, and your answer should be a data point. Okay, it's giving you a point on the coordinate plane. Okay, so here we go. x1, we find it right up here, -2. Okay, plus x2, let's find it, here it is, -4, okay, divided by 2. y1, we find it up here, is a 1, plus y2, -3, divided by 2. Okay, now the rest is simple math. -2 plus -4 is going to be -6 over 2. All right, 1 plus -3 is going to be -2 over 2, okay? And you finish with your division. -6 divided by 2 is -3. -2 divided by 2 is -1. There's your final point, okay? So, one more time. First thing you do is you pull out your points and label them. Every single point has one x value and one y value, okay? One x value and one y value. And then you say, okay, this is my first coordinate point. Put little 1's next to it. This is my second coordinate point. Put little 2's next to it. Then pull out your formula and plug in your values. Okay?